Hello everyone, good afternoon to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about lecture 14. If you have not seen from lecture 1 to 13, then you should definitely go and watch lecture 1 to 13 so that you can have basic understanding of machine learning. So in this video we will take a deeper look at linear regression. Okay, linear regression, as I have discussed earlier, is a supervised learning algorithm used to predict continuous values. Its goal is to find the best fit line that represents the relationship between the input variable and the output, and this line helps us make prediction based on new data. In this lecture we'll understand how this works conceptually, then implement it step by step. So first we'll discuss what is best fit line. Okay. Imagine we have sets of data point plotted on a graph. Our goal is to draw a line that best represents these data points. Okay. So this line is called basically best fit line. And how do we decide which line is best? We choose the line that minimizes the error, meaning the distance between the actual data point and the predicted value. Okay, the distance between the actual data point and the predicted value, okay, is as small as possible. This line helps us understand the relationship between the input and output, and it is the foundation of linear regression. Okay, got it? After that, we look at the basic equation of the linear regression. The equation represents the best fit line. Here y is the predictive value, the output we want to find. Okay, x is the input variable, m is the slope of the line which shows how much y changes when x changes, and b is the intercept. Okay, b is the intercept which is the value of y when x is equals to 0. So using this simple equation, the model learns how to predict values based on the relationship between x and y. Now we'll try to understand how model finds best line. Okay, so the model looks at the difference between the actual value and the predicted value. This difference is called error. For every possible line, the model calculates the error. Then it tries to reduce the error as much as possible. The line with the smallest error becomes the best fit line. And this process is how the model learns from data. Now we'll try to understand what is cost function. We use something called as cost function, and one of the most common ones is mean squared error, or MSE. MSE calculates the average of the squared difference between the actual value and the predicted value. We square the difference so that all the errors become positive and large errors are penalized more. The goal of the model is to minimize this value. So the smaller the MSE, the better our model is performing. Okay. Now we'll try to understand how linear regression works conceptually. The model starts with a random line, meaning random values of the slope and intercept. Then it calculates the error using MSE. After that, it adjusts the value of m and b to reduce the error. This process is repeated again and again until the error becomes as small as possible. This is how the model learns the best fit line from the data. Okay. So if we come to the how we do linear regression, okay, how we can implement it from sklearn. Okay, first we create the model, then we train it using fit function. Okay, you train it using fit function. This is where the model learns the best fit line. After that, we predict to generate prediction on new data. So behind the scene, sklearn is doing everything we just discussed, minimizing error and finding the best line. This makes it very easy for us to build machine learning model. So we will try here to build a model. I will just implement and show you one how we actually make it. Okay, so yeah, let us first open Anaconda prompt. Okay, first we open Anaconda prompt and then we go to Jupyter notebook. Okay, so once we reach here, we will open the Python. Okay, we will import the libraries. Okay, import number np. Okay, import, we have to plot, so we need matplotlib, then we need sklearn, and then okay, once we are done with that, we will take a sample data. Okay, so we can take x, we'll take 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so we'll take 2 comma 4 comma 5 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, okay, we have taken the sample data. Okay, did I do something? Okay, first we have to close square bracket and then curly braces. Okay, sorry. Okay, then we'll take our model. Okay, model is linear regression. Okay, okay, then we'll do model dot fit. Okay, we have capital X and okay, and then we'll do the prediction. Okay, underscore pred equals to model dot predict. Okay, something is wrong, let's see. Okay, we have to predict x. Okay, after that we'll plot and visualize. So in the last lectures I have taught you how you can actually plot from matplotlib library. Okay, so plot dot scatter. Okay, y. Okay, what do we want to plot? Okay, then we'll take x label and y label. Okay, this I have taught in last lecture. I think if you all have watched it, then you must be getting it. Okay, similarly y label, okay, and then we'll need a title. You can take linear regression, example. Okay, and then show. Okay, somewhere I have written capital Y, we have taken small y. So this is the plot that you can see over here. It is an example of linear regression. Okay, so I hope you all have understood, and I am grateful if you have come till this part of the video. Okay, and if you have watched it till now, I'm really grateful. Thank you for watching it. Do share your point of view. I have added also quiz so that you can learn in a very better way. Thank you everyone. Come for the lecture 15. Thank you so much.